I expected to see a lot more gravel and rocks and mud that didn't occur. So evidently they've done a pretty good job up above here.
So you think you'll be safe tonight?
Do what? The water came down through here and went down through the yard and into the neighbor's property. I can walk almost anywhere now.
Goodness gracious, I don't wish that for you.
The mud was on that side and on that side. There was sandbags across here, and none of the mud got in the house.
Storm, is it?
I love it. It's wonderful. I mean, this is great. Yes, get out and enjoy it.
It was very windy early. The front end of the storm brought a lot of wind, and I was kite surfing. This is a really rare direction, and this winter a very rare event. I don't get to kite here on these conditions very often, only a handful of times, but you put them in the memory bank and try to get them again. I'd come back with these conditions.